The following code represents a WinUI application that switches keyboard layout using WinAPI. It checks every second if the English keyboard layout is currently active. If not, it switches to the English keyboard layout. It uses the dispatcher timer object to create a periodic timer that calls the method to switch the keyboard layout, and the NotifyIcon object from Windows Forms to display an icon in the system tray. First, we need to add the System, Windows, Forms and System, Drawing, common libraries. Now let's break down the code step by step. DLL import attributes. DLL import is used to call functions from external libraries. Two methods load keyboard layout and activate keyboard layout are imported from user32.dll. They will be used for loading and activating the keyboard layout, respectively. Declaration of constants and variables. KLF_activate and KLF_set for process are constants used to control the behavior of API functions. Timer is an object of type dispatcher timer, which will be used to periodically call the method to switch the layout. NotifyIcon is a System, Windows, Forms.NotifyIcon object, which will display an icon in the system tray. Main window constructor initializes window components and assigns the activated event handler. Creates and configures a dispatcher timer that will call the Switch to English Keyboard Layout method every second. Switch to English Keyboard Layout method creates a culture info object for the English language. Converts the language identifier, LCID, to a string and passes it to the load keyboard layout function. Activates the set layout using the activate keyboard layout function. Main window activated event handler hides the application window. Creates and configures a System, Windows, Forms.NotifyIcon object that displays an icon in the system tray. Adds a context menu with Stop and Exit options. Event handlers switcher stop click and exit switcher click. Stop or resume the timer and change the text of the context menu item depending on the current timer state. Close the application window. NotifyIcon click event handler displays a dialog window when clicking on the icon in the system tray.